What's going on, and welcome back to my channel, Joe Zaccardelli. Today I got a package in the mail with some watches in it and figured open it up on camera and see what you guys think. Kind of want to get your opinion on what you would do if you were me. Would you keep them? Would you return them? Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Just got this in from the post office. Have not opened it yet. Go ahead and get it. What I can tell you is in here is pocket watches. Don't know if that's a surprise or not. All right. Here we go. Our first one. And it is a Bunn Special. Dial is a little corroded. Hands are corroded as well. Does look like there is a little chip in it. And does look like there's a little hairline right there at the 1 o'clock spot. Other than that, just kind of dirty. The crown doesn't look right. It's our case. 21 jewels, 60 hour. Arrows out. It should be in a Bunn Special case. It is not. The seller is wanting $325 for this watch. What would you do? We'll wind it all the way up. Does look like it's running a little sluggishly. The hairspring also looks rather weird down there. I think I know which direction I'm leaning for this one. Number 2. Well, we got a whole bunch of movements. Okay. So, this has some faint hairlines on the dial right here. Nice plumb hands though. Arrows in. And good movement. Just your basic 21 jewel Bunn Special. He is wanting $200 for this. Let me know what you think's in the comments below. Would you pay $200 for this? Here is the other Bunn Special. Again, another $200. Arrows in. You can see there is some wear, some discoloration right here. I mean, $200. What would you do for this guy? There's also some discoloration right down here on the plate. I don't know. I mean, the hands are nice. The dial's decent on this one. $200. I don't know. Now here we have a 992B, missing the sweep second hand. Little chip right there. On back, we have a broken balance staff for sure. Hamilton 992B. And this appears to be a newer one. C4. And by newer, I mean, I believe it's 50s. Let me know what you think. Does look like to be 50s. And he would like $100 for this, for parts. I don't know. That's pretty reasonable, I think, on that one. And last but not least, we have a 992E. And right here, big chip. Somewhere on the dial. Case is dirty. Not perfect. Star case. 992E. As you can see, it has a wide pattern. The Ellen var right down there. The seller would like $325 for this guy. All right, so all together, would you give $950 for everything? Love to hear your thoughts and opinions. This is probably the nicest one working right now. Does look like it probably needs to be cleaned. As you can see in the case here, there is a little gunk or whatever. It's been a while since the case has been cleaned. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Here are the 5 watches that I wanted you guys to go on this journey with me to help make a decision. Nice little piece of Americana. As always, be on the lookout for mechanical art. The hunt is real. Until next time, see you later.